How to buy MilkyWay token. So this token came under the symbol of milk. Now before it starts, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now and also there's a referral code down description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply as code below. Fund your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now this token, it will be listed on MEXC. So to be able to buy this token on your MEXC account, now first of all, open your MEXC account. So if you don't have an account on MEXC, go down the description and you will be able to find the referral link and create an account on MEXC to benefit from rewards and fund your account with some USDT. Now after that, what you need to do, go on the search bar and type milk like that. Now make sure to go to this announcement. Now after you click on it, make sure to read all of that information to be able to know how to buy this token if it's listed on MEXC and to know much more about this token. So this is how to buy a milk token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.